Hi guys, Jasper Hewitt here from Bushwakka Africa. As promised, a quick 360 walk around of our new amazing Bushwakka Fargo. So this is our new addition to the family orientated package for those families that enjoy outdoor camping from 2 to 4 to 6 people, easily accommodated from this amazing rig. So we'll start off with that new nose cone shape, very similar to our Sundowner range. It offers that wood storage in the front, ideal place to pack in a couple of bags of wood, charcoal, ground sheets, as we refer to our dirty box. Then you have this amazing large nose box storage area, which is a comfortable in and out height deck floor area. And in that you've got some of your spades, equipment, gas bottles, spare wheel winder. And then obviously this drop down tool rack in the front covers your axe, mallet and wheel spanner, and just neatly stores up in there and will close with your main lid. As easy as that. So that lifts up there, drop it out, and you've got quick access to all your equipment. As with all Bushwakka products, superior chassis, suspension, off-road performance. Engineered. We spent a lot of time on the undercarriage. Heavy duty coupler, jockey wheel, long extension, double wheel, lockout pin for your brake system, front additional jack. This is a 2.7 ton rated coupler, so it can really take the punch. And combined with that 2.5 ton axle suspension system, this thing is seriously off-road and can handle the rugged terrain you want to take it on when you go outdoors camping. So as we come around to this side, another nice feature of the new Bhoma Fargo, which is different to the classic model that we have, a long storage box goes right through. So long poles, fishing rods, longer items, your chairs, whatever, you can just throw it in there, pack it in, stuff it in there, whatever you like. It's the ideal usable packing space. Then we have, as standard with all our models, space for a double fridge freezer, capacity up to 90 litres, depending on the model you take, with a little work table, which is part of the Bushwakka brand. Clip it up, got a workspace. If you're going into your fridge, you always need to have two hands, get in there, do stuff, put it out there. Easy, simple, works. So this is the main fridge, and we'll get to the second fridge later on this model, where you keep all your provisions, your backup food, possibly your beer, whatever you like. 90 litres of capacity, in and out on a heavy duty slide. As easy as that. Really rugged and easy to use. And obviously when the awnings are up, under shade too. So there's your fridge freezer on the front. Then we have here, the queen size double bed, or queen size bed basically. It's nice and huge. You can comfortably sleep 2, 3 to 4 people in there if you like. You lay in the width, so you don't have to climb over each other. Lots of ventilation, windows from the side, from the front. It's got additional fly sheet over the top, which adds additional cooling. And obviously this whole rig and tent will be under the bush fan when set up too, for additional cooling. Super cool in the hot weather climate with the breeze blowing through. So there you have it, that's the bed area. Right, and then the next part of the Bushwakka Fargo, the heart of our trailers, and the famous swing out kitchen, synonymous to our brand from the beginning of time, is this layout here. Suitable for 6 people, lovely large work surface, 2 burner stove and hob. The new kitchen features 3 additional drawers here to put in your cutlery, odds and ends, knives and forks. This is all equipped. It comes standard with the Bhoma Fargo. So you've got 3 drawers over there, lots of space, lots of packing space in here, and racks, your cups and mugs and plates, space for some wine bottles, additional complimentary with Bushwakka, pots and pans, kettle, frying pan, that's all included. And this once again is under your 360 shade awning. Great protection, lots of moving space, and comfortable for working outdoors and preparing meals. Then we have also our medical box or general storage area, which is the back here. Access to power points and plug points, some canvas pockets in the back door, our steps to a big wide platform bumper, nice to stand on, safe to get in access, a full door height, easy in and out. And then the new feature, this is one of the main additional features to the Bhoma Fargo as its previous Bhoma Classic. This additional 40 litre capacity to 50 litre capacity fridge freezer that can be added at the back to complement your kitchen. So all in one space, all in one area, easy accessible, fantastic. Great for the women, they love it. They want to be access to the fridge with quick access to everything, perfect. And that's allowed us to give more additional storage capacity for food and condiments right here at the back as part of your kitchen. And that's where we've actually shaped and lengthened the back of this Fargo, allowing the kitchen to swing in and be part of the inner shape and making it more streamlined. Don't forget all our doors, all our access points, everywhere you need has lighting in the LED lighting. They can have various colors, reds, whites, depending on the insect situation. That's standard in the Bhoma Fargo. Wherever you need lighting, look, you'll find it. Then we have our control panel here, water meter, your 12-volt connection panel to the solar system on the top, giving you indication what you've got in power coming in. Obviously, these Bhoma Fargos come with 2 batteries, up to 230 watt amp capacity. Then we have our hot water system, the geyser, built into the side, more lighting. All our doors are dust-proof and sealed. Many of the bigger doors have double seals on them, perfect for dusty and wet conditions. Swing out mixer tap, hot and cold water on tap. Here we have a vent for that fridge area inside. A stainless steel double basin, as standard now with the Bhoma Fargo. Lots of additional space here to put stuff down, clean and wash, drying rack. That's all standard, that comes with the rig. Then we have our second bed that folds out. This is our double bed size. Also 2 meters in length, easily and comfortably sleeps 2 people. Lots of ventilation once again. And make a note, all our net right round is the fine midgie proof net. So nothing gets through that. But it still allows good airflow. And at night, you can shine a light through there and see what's going on outside. It's a fantastic product there and it works very well. So we have our double bed coming out this side. And then we'll move around to the last bit of our trailer where the shower and additional storage is. And this is where we have additional storage drawers mounted in the front. Remember, all this area in the front is aluminium construction. The main body is stainless steel and the chassis stainless steel. 2 large additional food storage drawers in the front here with some additional packing space underneath, pulls in and out. Then we have another 2 of these compartments under the beds, which are perfect for storing your backup food, maybe some extra beer, whatever you need. Tools can go into these boxes underneath, keeping the chassis weight down low. So there we have it, that door closes up here. That's the other access point to that long storage box right through the front. And then here we have the connection to our shower, hot water shower point. That clips in down there, hot water back to the geyser. You set up your cubicle here and you can have your outdoor bush showers right here and wash off and rinse off. So there you have it, guys. 360 tour of the outside. Now we're going to move inside and I'm going to show you what this beast offers from the inside out. As you can see now, I'm inside the Bhoma Fargo. Lovely and cool, plenty of space. All around is ventilation, the fine mesh net windows. It's great. What we have here in the interior is a work surface with a wash basin included. Flip up tap, hot water and cold water supply to this point. Perfect for those facial teeth brushing little washes in the morning before bed. Flip up table here which you can sit at and eat, 2 of you, or work on your laptop, prepare gaming, whatever you like to do, you can work inside. The Bhoma Fargo offers 3 large storage compartments in the nose section. Perfect for all the additional clothing, bedding, whatever you need. There's lots of and loads of space inside there. Put that there, they're all lockable too. Then another feature is you lift that up there. Here's a huge space, perfect for bedding too, or additional backup, whatever you like. Everywhere I've utilized the space in this design. Under the seats where I'm sitting, there's little compartments. We have these little storage compartments down here. Ideal for putting in shoes, we call them shoe boxes. There's storage under the bed there. There's this is where the fridge is, pockets over here, power points. This is the power panel and cupboard, and more storage in there too. We have shelving up here, ideal for books and lights and things you'd like to access at night. Then you can see the spacious, large, queen-size bed. Behind me you have the double bed, and that all just folds out of this rig. It's phenomenal how it all adds value to the product. All the roof areas, like the up here, they have a 25mm insulated panel inside. Above the beds have a quilted lining. All that is to prevent any condensation, keeps the interior dry, and there's no direct access to metal on the outside, so you don't get that condensation dripple effect in the winter months. You've got canvas flaps that close up all the net. All the net can also be physically opened, as you see in these windows, and that allows you perfect access to the outdoors, airflow, and when you make up the beds, you don't have to crawl around on your knees from the inside. You can walk around the outside and easily set up and pull your beds down and do the sheet work. So that's a huge feature that our Bushwakka products offer. So there you have it, guys. Everywhere, obviously, LED lighting, USB points left and right, access for the beds, LED lights all around where you need them. You have lights in the roof, and then a comprehensive power panel which gives you access to the solar, charging from the 280 watt panel on the roof. You can then charge from external electricity and also from the vehicle's alternator while driving. So there's 3 sources of power, in ensuring this rig is continuously charged and fully off-grid capable. There you have it, guys. If this excites you the way it excites me, and you want to be part of that experience, contact Bushwakka today and let our sales team take you on the journey of your life. Thank you.